Hello, my name is Darian Jaramillo. I present hopes in attitude oral defense of technology and humanity development. Is effect of technology of human life. From my point of view, technology has had a great impact on society, both negative and positive, since it has the intellectual capacity of many people. A advantage facilitates learning, increase productive and efficiency, creation of new hopes, entertainment for the humanity. A downside in contamination, desmonetization, privacy, loss of intellectual capacity. In conclusion, it allows us to have technological skills and competencies which is essential since this is what allows us to develop a critical and reality attitude. Thank you.